A minister of a state of Karnataka, if he is biased, he can say no hijab, no to Christianity, no to think. People should be free to convert. People should be free to wear whatever they want. People should be free to eat whatever they want. It is not this government which has to dictate.
Beginning of the downfall of Karnataka peaceful situation.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂರು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಐತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಇದೊಂದು ತಲೆನೋವು ನನಗೆ.
ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಲಾಲನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಥರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Taken decision to go in for ordinance of anti-conversion law.
हलाल क्या चीज़ है? हलाल थूकने का, जो अन्न के ऊपर थूकने का संस्कृति हिंदू धर्म नहीं है.
अपने घर में हथियार रखो, कुछ नहीं तो सब्जी काटने वाला चाकू जरा तेज रखो. स्पष्ट बोल रही हूँ.
ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರ ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರದ ಏನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಜಾಗೃತಿ.
कर्नाटका के अंदर आप लोगों ने कमाल कर दिया. कर्नाटका हुकूमत में लाके एक हिंदुस्तान में एक मैसेज दे दिया कैसे कारनामा आप लोग ने किए करके. जो भी मेरे को 5-6 जन जो जिम्मेदार आजाद मिले हर एक यही पूछ रहे थे.
A particular video featuring Housing Minister ZameerHamedKhan has captured immense attention. This video, despite being 3 months old, highlights how the Congress strategized to mobilize Muslim votes for the Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. Notably, the BJP has seized upon this video, levelling accusations of religious polarization against the Congress. Let's explore this video, the BJP's response and the larger implications. Former Deputy Chairman of the Raj Sabha, Dr. K. Rahman Khan.
Politicians like ZameerAhmedKhan openly discussing strategies like religious vote consolidation and what could be that consequence.
No, that is, I don't agree with that. What ZameerAhmedKhan said. We have not consolidated the votes in the name of religion. We have consolidated the vote, the injustice done to the religion. We are not, the entire, there is a difference between what asking their religion to support a particular political party, but asking the religious people asking to vote against, deciding to vote against a political party, and it is their choice to vote whomsoever they like.
But is it ethical to for politicians to openly discuss these strategies? So my question is that.
No, I don't agree with it. There is no such public statements are unnecessary, create controversy.
Right.
It is the right of the people, and then to don't say. I will not agree with Mr. ZameerAhmedKhan saying that we have control. He is, if he is speaking as a Muslim, I agree. But if he is speaking as a minister in a political party, I don't. You see, Muslims, they have never. It is not the Congress who mobilize the Muslims. The Muslims mobilize themselves to defeat BJP for their injustice done to Muslim community, but denying them their constitutional rights and then religious rights, and also the right to follow a religion under Article 25. It is not the Congress who mobilized. When Congress has not performed, Muslims have voted against the Congress also. So it is wrong to say that the Congress has mobilized the Muslims. ZameerAhmedKhan, what says is that not correct in my view. The Muslims have got consolidated because they wanted this government to go, because the government is doing injustice with the Muslim community. It is not a particular political party, and that cannot be a polarization charges. It is not the Congress whom no political party can mobilize, and it is the vote is the right of the every individual. It is the Muslims who have consolidated their vote and then voted for Congress against the injustice done to them by the BJP rule in Karnataka.
How do government policies impact the unity and voting behaviors of specific communities, especially the Muslim community, as seen in Zameer's remarks, sir?
No, definitely the policies of the government will be affecting the certain sections of the society, and and even the constitutional right of the society. For example, the hijab issue is a constitutional right of the community, a particular section of the community, which they have every right to follow their religion and adopt whatever method the religion says. It is a fundamental right. Now when the government goes against it and denies their constitutional right, and they also denied the right to equality under Article 14 of the Constitution. So definitely the communities can gather themselves and try to vote, and it is their right to reject the policies of any political party. Either individual or a group of individuals can reject the policy of the government. That is why there is an election every 5 years.
Is it ethical for politicians to openly discuss strategies like religious oath consolidation, and what could be the consequences?
No, it is not. No political party can appeal in the name of religion. No political party can appeal like BJP, but BJP is contravening, and they are using all religious this thing. Again, you see, one religion. Here the question is how the majoritarian group are trying to suppress the rights of the minority groups. This is what is the constitutional right. So we cannot. It is not asking on the name of the religion, but it is against the atrocities, against the injustice. The vote can be consolidated.
As a citizen, my personal voice, the image of Karnataka, the grand image of Karnataka, got a very big beating with the misadministration, the divisive administration of Bommai.
Okay.
The thing. So it affected everybody. People were very upset, and they showed him the door. See, the government in Karnataka, the BJP government, was highly divisive. They not only troubled Muslims, they troubled the Christians as well. They troubled the other ST groups as well. The Banjara community was highly upset with them. The Christian community was highly upset. Okay, they brought in the anti-conversion law. The Muslim community, they brought the hijab, halal, not to do trade at things. So all this upset, and the culture of Karnataka is very harmonious, very syncretic. Okay, they did Brahminization of the textbooks. Okay, they had a textbook committee of I think so 8 or 9 Brahmins, and Kuempu's Nadgite, I think so Chakratirtha did a parody on it, So there are multiple factors. The Dalit groups worked in their communities, the Christians worked across in their communities. Likewise, the Muslims also mobilized in their communities, okay, to chase this government out, and that is why you had such a big mandate of BJP losing. The whole idea of the politics which the whole politics which BJP plays is very, very divisive, as I said. Okay, it's on communal lines. Okay, in Karnataka they hit some wrong chords on the caste lines. Okay, which irked a lot of people. Okay. So they have their party politics. They will play. They will malign people. Okay, they have a whole media infrastructure which they use. Okay, to create narratives. So all this is an ongoing process. And like they say, anything is fair in love and war. They will try all tricks, right from deleting voters to election, practices. Even the we have seen that the ECs are also, election commission also comes under their control, where they don't take action against so much of hate speech and certain things which. So all this is part of the game, and you have a 224 election. Such issues will come up.